Here we have a 2019 19 plate BMW 320d M Sport XDRIVE. Now with this vehicle you get 4 superb unscratched unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black with the blue M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind. We have your LED headlights, the black front kiddie grille, M Sport styling kit, so you get the black front splitter side scope extensions and also a rear diffuser. Now, going along with the black tartan styling with the M Sport kit and the black wheels, you have your black window trim, your privacy glass on the rear. We have your panoramic sunroof just up there as well. We have your front and rear parking sensor with a rear reversing camera, dual black tip exhaust, flush the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. We also have the LED rear lights that do look very, very cool on this vehicle. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Going into the rear, I'll give you a quick look at the interior of this car. Full leather seats throughout to the M stitching on the seat belts, ISOFIX points, have a pull down armrest, climate control just in the centre down there, integrated Harman Kardon speakers with your ambient lighting just there with your brushed metal trim. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Now both driver and passenger are fully heated electrically, adjustable, and the driver's seat is memory, integrated Harman Kardon, electric windows, electric power folding mirrors, auto lights just down there, multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift if we set the car into manual mode, your digital dash, and you can see the vehicle is free from any lights on the dashboard and it's covered just over 38,060 miles. Changes the look of the instrument cluster when you go through the different drive modes. You have your satellite navigation screen just up there as well. That's a rolling shutter on the phone, nothing to worry about on the screen whatsoever. Satellite navigation, you have Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio, connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, DAB radio just there, front and rear parking sensor with a rear reversing camera, BMW individual trim all over the centre of this vehicle, different drive modes, electric parking brake with auto hold. Looking up, you have your panoramic sunroof. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HBI clear, comes with fresh service, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.